One of the essential things in our wardrobe is a backpack. Apart from a traditional bag, buyers now prefer tech backpack due to their multifunctionality. These best tech backpack under 2000 will serve your purpose if you are looking for the best. We are compiling this list to make it easy for you to decide which one to choose from the options available in the market. So guys, this is Suleiman Khan and let's start. So the first one in our list is Novix Anti-Theft Backpack. An anti-theft backpack is the most preferred tech backpack that buyers look for while buying. This Novix anti-theft backpack could be your final choice if you are looking for a quality and affordable tech backpack. It is a premium looking backpack that offers spacious compartments to store all your stuff. The backpack is composed of high quality polyester from inside and outside. You get padded adjustable straps to carry the bag on your shoulders. It has a number of locks to protect it from pickpockets and intruders. The mobile charging port in the bag will be handy on your long trips. You get one spacious compartment to store books, files, documents, and other stationery items. The bag has a laptop sleeve that can accommodate a 15.6 inches laptop. The bag has a hidden card pocket in the strap and at the back to keep your essential items. There is a zip at the front of the bag to keep your frequently used items. The bag has a storage capacity of 20 liters that is enough to store all the items. You also get a rain cover with this backpack that will be useful during the rainy seasons. So the next one in our list is HP Tech Backpack. You know you will be getting the best product when you see HP on the brand tag on it. This HP Tech Backpack is one such product by the company that offers you the best features. The bag has a strong build quality that makes it a long-lasting companion. The backpack is ideal for both offices and travel use. That makes it the best tech backpack under 2000. The bag has a water-resistant coating that protects all your items inside the bag. The breathable straps make it easy for you to carry the backpack for long hours. Air mesh pods on the back panel ensures that you have a comfortable experience while carrying the bag. The bag has two storage compartments where you can keep all your essentials items. The bag has a padded laptop compartment that accommodates a 15 inches laptop. There is a power adapter inside the backpack that will help you to charge your laptop and smartphone. There are two side pockets where you can store a water bottle and other smaller items. RFID pocket keeps your sensitive item away from the reach of the intruders. So the next one in our list is F-Gear Luxury Backpack. One of the most premium looking backpack on our list, F-Gear Luxury is the next pick. The backpack is composed of art leather that makes it the best tech backpack under 2000. The backpack is water resistant and you can carry any item in your bag without worrying about the items inside. The real leather finish adds an elegant touch to the product. The main compartment of the bag can hold a laptop, books, and some pair of clothes. The bag has an external zippered compartment to keep where you can place your small and sensitive items. The strap of the bags are firm and adjustable that smartly distributes the weight on your shoulders. With a total capacity of 23 liters, the bag can accommodate all your items and can be a perfect companion for every occasion. There is a large bottle compartment on the side of the bag to keep a water bottle during your travel. So the next one in our list is AH Arctic Hunter Backpack. The bag has 21 pockets, 8 holders and 2 big side pockets that gives you fair idea about the capacity. The compartments of the bag are made up of highly shockproof material that protects the internal items. The laptop compartment is made up of high density EVA material that resists any external damage. The waterproof zipper of the bag is made up of zinc alloy that slows down the rusting process. The thick breathable mesh padding on the straps quality distributes the weight on your shoulders to make it easy to carry heavy weights. The bag has two water resistant front compartments to keep your other essentials. Apart from this, the bag has a portable card pocket, invisible headphone jack and a built-in USB charging port. The premium build quality along with large storage capacity makes it the best tech backpack under 2000. If you are a travel freak and your bag is always filled with lot of stuffs, then you can choose this as your pick from our list. So the next one in our list is Aircase C40. Aircase C40 is a multifunctional best tech backpack under 2000 that can be an ideal choice for you. The bag is composed of high quality nylon and polyester that repels water and protects your belongings. The camouflage pattern on the bag adds an appealing touch to it. The bag has S-shaped mesh padded shoulder straps that help to reduce the load on your shoulders. The adjustable buckle on the straps lets you adjust the bag height according to the carrying comfort. You can also open the trolley belt if you are finding it difficult to carry the load on your back. You can also open trolley belt if you are finding it difficult to carry the load on your back. You get one main and one accessory compartment inside the bag to store all the big and small items. The compartments are padded and come with Velcro sealing to keep all the items intact. At the front, the bag has one easy to open compartment to keep your frequently used items. Under the price belt of 2000, Aircase C40 could be a smart choice for you. So guys, that's it for today. Hope you have enjoyed a lot. If you do, please do considering subscribing, liking and sharing our channel. Thank you so much.